Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about valve Assy, float for Manitowoc part number 8369049. Valve Assy, float for Manitowoc part number 8369049 is a part used in Manitowoc ice machines. It is a float valve assembly that controls the water level in the machine. The float valve assembly consists of a float, a valve body, and a mounting bracket. The float is connected to the valve body and is used to detect the water level in the machine. When the water level rises, the float rises and activates the valve body, which then opens to allow more water into the machine. The mounting bracket holds the valve body in place and allows for easy installation and This part fixes the following symptoms. This valve assembly is used to regulate the water level in an ice machine. It helps to ensure that the ice machine produces consistent amounts of ice and that the water level remains constant. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the water supply to the Manitowoc ice machine. 2. Disconnect the water line from the float valve assembly. 3. Remove the mounting screws and remove the old float valve assembly from the machine. 4. Install the new float valve assembly in place of the old one, making sure it is properly aligned with the water line connection. 5. Securely tighten all mounting screws and reconnect the water line to the float valve assembly. 6. Turn on the water supply to the Manitowoc ice machine and check for any leaks or other issues before use. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.